Okay, so this video is for anyone who's on the fence about diving into voice AI. I stumbled across one-click deploy on YouTube. I think the doctor had put out some videos that obviously came up in my algorithm, and yeah, so I dived into the Discord channel. So one-click deploy AI. Again, it's a really good community, as you can see. Look, I there's even me posting some. What am I posting here? Oh, it's something on MCP. We're trying to get MCP working. So yeah, dive into here if you've got any questions. But yeah, so I just wanted to explain how easy this is. So I started by um, I started by going through the Mastering Voice AI Essentials course. So if you go to fullstackai.com explore, you can come here and you can buy this course. And then you also have access to the complete source code if you purchase it, which I did. I'm not a coder at all, so this really helped. I use Claude Code, and I'm not going to dive into the code today, but yeah, this really helped me understand what was going on. The tutorial videos literally walk you through everything you need to do to get a working agent up and running. So I 100% recommend this course to start off with. So and even deploying now. So again, there's the doctor's working on an MCP which you can literally talk to, and it will deploy your voice agent. So I'll just give you a quick demo of the voice agent that I managed to get up and running from completing the course. Yeah, this has actually been deployed on one-click deploy, and this was deployed using the MCP. I literally talked to the MCP, and this was all set up for me. So I'll give you a quick deep dive into. This is the journal planner agent. Again, it's quite simple. I've got lots of ideas how I want to expand this. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. You can see the journal entries. Journal entries are stored in MongoDB. Again, the course takes you through exactly how to set that up. MongoDB is super powerful. It's quite easy to use. So yeah, let me just show you how this works. I've actually made some adjustments to the original code base. Like my agent talks. He's got a bit of a Cockney slang. But yeah, let me show you how this works.
All right, mate. I'm me, Julie, your friendly London mate. What can I help you with, boss?
All right, boss, how you going?
No worries, mate. How's your day been so far?
Yeah, not too bad, mate. I'd like to add a journal entry in, please.
Sure thing, mate. What would you like to jot down in the journal entry?
Journal entry. Yeah,
Oh,
success. I've deployed my voice agent using the one-click deploy MCP. It was super easy to do, and yeah, I'm gonna keep going on this, and I've got lots of ideas to expand. Let's just leave it at that.
got it, mate. I've jotted down your success with the MCP deployment. Sounds like you're on a roll with it. Anything else you... All right, boss. Anything else on your mind? Or shall we call it a day for now?
Let's call it a day, mate. Thank you. Okay, so that's the voice agent. Again, very simple at the moment. It's got access to some journal functions, and you can literally talk to it and add your journal. And this is deployed now, so you can actually you can actually pull it up on your mobile. It works solid on mobile. There's a few tweaks that need to be done, but other than that, it's all good. So yeah, super simple to dive into this. Like I said, I'm not a coder. again, I'm slowly picking things up. I use Claude Code, and I'll be modifying this script to add in more functionality. But yeah, this is a really solid start for anyone that wants to dive into this. So I'll leave it at that. And yeah, thanks for watching.